In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to hosting or webmail step by step so you can access your email inbox quickly and without confusion. If you manage a website, a business email, or a custom domain email through Hostinger, this guide will help you get into your webmail account in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Hostinger dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your hosting, domains, and email services. If you're not already signed in, enter your Hostinger login details first so you can get access to the dashboard. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, look for the Email section. This is where all of your email accounts are managed. Click on Emails to continue. After that, you'll see your email-related tools and accounts. Now click on Mailboxes. This will take you to the list of email addresses connected to your hosting plan or domain. Next, find the email account you want to open and click Webmail again. Hostinger may present a few options, but the goal here is to open the Webmail login page for the mailbox you want to use. Now you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Type in your full email address, make sure the password is correct, and then click Login. If everything is entered properly, you'll be taken directly into your Hostinger Webmail inbox. From here, you can read your emails, send new messages, reply to customers, and manage your inbox from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. That's the big advantage of Webmail. No need to install a separate app if you don't want to. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're using the correct mailbox credentials. Also make sure you're selecting the right email account in Hostinger before logging in. A small mistake like typing the wrong password or choosing the wrong mailbox is usually the reason login fails. And that's it. You now know how to log in to Hostinger Webmail quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.